These are in listen-only mode.
A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, to TechGig webinar series, and our topic for today's session is diving into Windows 8.1 and envisioning a great app. Our speaker today is Ruhani Arora. She is the technology evangelist DP at Microsoft India. Let me quickly give a quick introduction of Ruhani as well. She helps professional developers and students to build apps on Windows 8 and 8.1. A computer engineering graduate from Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology, Delhi University, Ruhani is also an avid reader and loves to keep abreast with the latest technological developments around the globe. We will be taking questions during the last 15 minutes of today's session, and Ruhani will be answering, will try to answer most of the questions during the session today. And we will also be taking questions offline. So the attendees can send us the queries directly or can post the questions on the discussion forum. So without any further delay, I will now hand over the session to Ruhani. Ruhani, over to you.
Thank you, Sri Lagna. I hope all of you can see my screen. First of all, a very good evening to all of you. Some of you might have built for the Windows platform before, or some of you. Just a second. I guess now you'll be able to see my screen.
I think we can all view your screen now.
Hello. Yeah. So good evening, folks. Welcome to this webinar on app development on Windows 8.1. So before I get started for the evening, I would like to give you a brief introduction of what this webinar is all about and how we are going to target it. So it's basically a series of 4 webinars wherein we'll go through step by step of the app building journey. Starting from today will be basically an introduction into the platform, what the platform has that you can utilize and leverage to build good quality apps. And we'll also understand the design philosophy for Windows 8.1 apps. So design is also one of the very critical things when it comes to modern apps these days. A differentiated user experience ensures that your app would become one of the best-selling apps or one of the most downloaded apps into the category. So keeping that in mind, we'll understand what are the design differences, what is unique to Windows, and how you can use your own branding and the Windows design philosophy to create a great user experience. And as I shared with you, moving further, I'll share with you that this is our journey for the next 4 weeks. So this is here we are today, it's 29th Jan, and we are here into the session of actually understanding what the platform is all about. And moving further, we'll move to the design and prototype stage in the subsequent week. And for the following weeks, we'll discuss about the different development aspects. So the aim of these 4 webinars will be basically to equip you with all the knowledge that you need to, come up with a good app. So I'll give a quick introduction. As Sri Lagna already introduced me, I work as a technical evangelist with Microsoft focused on building Windows 8 and Windows Phone apps. So our work revolves around working with our students and developer audience and working with some top app customers to help them build on the platform. So without any further delay, we'll get started. So the brief agenda for this particular session and the key questions that we'll be answering around in this session will include what is new in Windows 8.1. As you would have known, with Windows 8 the OS got completely reimagined. We had the release of Windows 8 OS in October 2012, and in less than a year's time frame, in 2013 we came up with Windows 8.1 after hearing a lot of feedback from all the developers, student audience, etc. And then we'll also discuss how basically has the Windows platform completely changed from the developers' outlook. We've got a concept of modern apps. So now we build modern apps for targeting desktops, laptops, PCs, etc. and tablets. And then we'll also understand on the architectural basis how does Windows runtime is used for building these modern apps. Then moving further, as I discussed, that design is one of the key things that one needs to know to create a differentiated experience. There was a time till when functionality was the core focus. But with the coming of apps, the kind of experience that the apps provide also matter a lot. And we need to think a lot from a platform perspective as well as from the consumer's point of view also. And then we'll also discuss what is the opportunity for modern app developers. Windows 8 has got a huge phenomenal reach. And we'll discuss how you can leverage this to monetize your apps and to reach your apps to the great set of customers. Then we'll discuss how to actually start building and how to get started on the app development journey, assuming that some of you might have built before, but some of the audience may be completely new to the platform and to this app development on Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. I'll also be covering a case study wherein we will highlight what are the basic design features that you need to incorporate and how is it different from iOS. What are the key design differentiators on this platform? So getting started, as I told you early on that with Windows 8, Windows got completely reimagined. Till Windows 7 we used to have mouse, keyboard, etc. But with coming of Windows 8, it became a touch-first UI. Touch became the first-class citizen. Though we still continued the support for mouse and keyboard, but as you can see on the left side top corner of the screen is a modern start screen for Windows. Some of you who would have been using Windows before Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 would have got a look at this. So now here you can see actually boxes. So these boxes are basically tiles. These tiles represent modern apps installed into the system. So looking at the nature of these tiles, the first intuitiveness is to touch them and get started. So as I discussed with you that this is all a touch first UI. And you have to keep this in mind while we build apps also, that as touch has become a very natural usage, especially considering the tablet form factors where it's all about touch. And so how we can leverage this and make apps that are very user friendly and give a great user experience. With Windows 8, the chipset has also been redesigned. Windows 8 OS got redesigned from the chipset. The boot time of the OS decreased significantly, and now we have a lot of form factors available. So from an 8-inch screen to an 80-inch screen, we have Windows 8 running. And the beautiful is that the OS beautifully scales across all these form factors. And you also need to just keep a couple of things in mind, and your app would also scale beautifully across all these form factors. So you need not make a separate app for different screen sizes or different form factors. The apps also scale beautifully along with the OS. You just need to keep a couple of things in mind, to ensure that it's a flexible layout and it's able to scale well. And the rest of the things are taken care of by the OS itself. For the first time in the history of Microsoft, we had a Windows Store. So Windows Store is the primary place for distribution of your apps. All the consumer apps that you want to put through are distributed through the store. And the reach of the store is phenomenal. The store gets shipped by default with every Windows 8 device. So all the systems running either Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 will have a store from where the consumers would be able to download modern apps. In case of enterprise apps, they could be side-loaded into the system and may not be present in the store. And there is one more thing: for an app to be in store, it has to pass a store certification. So there is something called Windows App Certification Kit, which you need to run and to ensure that the app is following all the guidelines of the store. This is done to ensure that we get good quality apps onto the store. Continuing further with our language neutral platform with what we had with .NET, we still continue with that language neutrality. So you can build these modern Windows Store apps using either C, C++, C#, VB for the business logic, and for the presentation tier or the UI, you could use XAML or HTML JavaScript. For the first time, at a platform, we have HTML JavaScript native to a platform, which is I guess a big thing, to get HTML JavaScript being native to the platform itself. So depending upon your existing skill set, whichever skill set that you have, you might be a .NET developer, so you might want to build an app using XAML, C#, or you might be a web developer. If you are a web developer, you might be very comfortable with building HTML JavaScript apps. So you can choose any of the languages that you want to build your apps on. We'll discuss this further as we'll go along. So here we'll get into a deep dive into what the platform